Now comes the League of Nations. Objectives of the League of Nations. Kiki. Now, the chief aim of the League of Nations was to promote international cooperation and to achieve international peace and security also. So, তাহলে আমাদের main motto of, what is the main motto of League of Nations? To promote international peace, international cooperation and, international cooperation and international peace and security. These are the two main mottos. Now, in order to achieve this objective, the members of the League of Nations were required not to resort to war, to establish international law as the actual rule of conduct, international law, actual rule of conduct among the government, and to respect all treaty obligations in their dealings with one another. देखो, वॉर का प्रिवेंशन तो होगा ही, क्योंकि दे अंडरस्टूड दैट अभी एक और वॉर आएगा तो नॉट ओनली द vanquished countries will be affected, the victor countries will also be affected, na? So that's why there were other some objectives also. What were they? Maintenance of status quo, जैसे हो वैसे ही रहो, the situation that existed as a result of the peace conference. Then protection of national minorities, जो है उन लोग को protection मिलना चाहिए. The proper administration of the territories assigned to a nation under the mandate of the League of Nations. So, administration होना चाहिए सारा territories का जो nation नाम दिया गया under the mandate of the League of Nations. Then dealing with the problem of health, social problems, economic problems, and the system of communication, importation, everything will be given importance. Then, who are the members of the League of Nations? The League began with 42 original members at that time. Admission of new members required not less than a 2/3 vote. If you want to admit a new member, you have to get 2/3 vote of the assembly. ठीक है? मान लो 30 people are there, you have to get 20 people's vote, 2/3. The United States never became a member of League of Nations because the American Senate did not ratify the League's covenant. So they never became a part of it. Germany and her allies were also not eligible. They were not eligible for entry also because for them only First World War was created. Lekin later on, in the first few years, they were not allowed to enter. Later on, they were given the permission. With the joining of Germany in 1926, the League's position and strength also rose high. फिर उसका organs क्या हैं? The principal organs of League of Nations were the Assembly, the Council, the Secretariat, the Permanent Court of Justice, International Justice. যেগুলো এখন ये আছে আমি यूनाइटेड नेशंस का है वही सब, तारपरे तो बाद में इसको हटा के आबार ये यूएनओ आया. So actually the League failed, na? The Constitution of the International Labour Organization or ILO was prepared by a commission set up by the Peace Conference. ILO also became a part of the Treaty of Versailles even. But ultimately there was the failure of the League. The League did much of social and humanitarian work. Kiya. Between 25 to 30, it was able to settle a number of international disputes were also settled. But however, it failed when it had to deal with disputes in which any of the major power जैसे involved हो जा रहा है, वो dispute को लेकिन League of Nations did not have the power to solve out. It failed in its main object of maintaining peace of the world. So ultimately,
It had to break down.
It had to break down.